Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about beauty boxes. For those of you who know, I love beauty products without spending too much. And what I like about this is that it comes in every month and I don't have to go out there and go buy beauty products. So let's get started. This is the box that it comes in. It's a decent size, so it does come in with 4 samples. So let's open this. This is the November beauty box. So it comes in, I guess, a little paper showing that they have their own social media. Sometimes they give you more information about a brand that is in this product. And I guess for that one, it is this. This is the Moisturizing Balm True Cream. It lasts about, it says 26 hours. It's really good. So I can open this up here. Okay. So it's a nice tiny little one. Again, it's just a sample, but they do vary in sizes. And the next thing that we have is a body wash, scented body wash. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh, that smells amazing. You're gonna love me when I try this. All right, and the next one is a triple sec. So this is for hair, for dry hair especially. It's a dry bar. It texturizes, amplifies, and freshens your hair. So it does say to spray about, from dry hair texture and volume. So it does volumizes it as well. This is pretty nice. A decent size too for this one. And the last, I guess, 2 things that I received too is eyelash and the glue, the eyelash glue. So this is interesting actually, because I don't think I've ever received the eyelash on this. So I'm definitely going to check it out and probably post a picture of what it looks like after. So that is it. Also, I do want to say that if you do want to subscribe to this Topbox, I do have a referral link down below. It does give me $5 for a referral code, but other than that, and if you want to share it with your friends, do so. And disclaimer, I do want to say that I don't receive any cash money or anything to do this video. It's just me loving this product and doing a review on it. Oh, also another thing that I do want to show is these samples do vary, small to big. So that's what I love about this Topbox beauty box. It does give you different beauty products. So for fragrances, for makeup, and honestly just about anything, shampoos, conditioner, amazing. Anyway, toodles.